Hey everybody, so the oven stopped working. It was an element. So the first thing I had to do was find the serial number and model number over here. Yours may be different. This is just, I'm just telling you what I did. So I got the tools out because I've taken an element out before. I had to unplug the oven so that I don't die. And so I just found the little screws. I had to take those out with either a nut driver or a small crescent wrench. This oven was like over 20 years old, and I was gonna get another one, but I didn't want to spend $800, so I said, let me just do the element. So for reference, that's the bulb, and there's an upper element as well. So it has a bottom element and a top element. I just had to do the bottom one. So I took the screws out, go to the back of the oven, and then you can see where the wires attached to the element, they just slide off. The little connectors just slide off. You don't need any special tools to disconnect it. And the new one goes on the same exact way. I ordered the new element for like $25 and went and got it versus $800 for a new oven. I may get a new oven later, but not right now. So it's really easy to connect these. The old element was broken and it was flaring and you could see flames in there. So I just switched it out. The new one goes in the same way. Just line the hose up with screws in. That's it. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Like and subscribe.